So this beautiful and affordable bathroom vanity light is absolutely a keeper. Now we are going to be putting this in our bathroom remodel. I wanted to kind of show you an up close before it's installed. Now it's got the 3 lights. It's got a stainless steel base, and the company states that is going to help prevent rust for years to come. It's got a beautiful brushed nickel look, which matches our other appliances. It's got a nice tempered glass. So beautiful. This is such a classic, simple look. Now it can be installed like this, or it can also be installed like this if you want more of a unique look. Absolutely love this. Now I did put this together myself, so it's very easy to set up. You know, this unscrews here and then you place the glass there. All of this is a matter of just screwing a few things in. Super simple. My husband is the one who will have to install this though, as he is the electrician, not me. Anyways, a very affordable option if you are looking for some beautiful, classic, simple lights in your bathroom or any other little area. Absolutely love this. So beautiful.